Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making lentil patties. I saw this recipe on the internet and it reminded me of something that would have been eaten during the Great Depression. It's rich in protein and much cheaper than meat. To make this easy recipe, you need 1 1/2 cups of dry red lentils, which have been soaked for 2 hours and drained. 1 large onion chopped, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 small carrot grated, 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley, 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. All we have to do is put everything in the food processor, and I already put the lentils in. Now I'm going to add my carrots, onions, parsley, minced garlic, pepper, and the tomato puree. And that's how easy it is to start to make the patties. I put the cover on and now all I have to do is pulse this. It looks good, but I have to clean off the sides now. It smells good. Okay, we're going to process it again. And I'm going to push it down again. I think one more time and it's done. This looks good now. Looks like it's all blended well. I put all the mixture into the mixing bowl, and now we're going to make the patties. I'm measuring out 1/4 cup to make the patties. This is very moist, but this is the size you want for your patty. Now we'll see how many I can make out of this. I portioned it out, and it's going to make 8 patties. I'm heating up some olive oil in my frying pan. Look how my frying pan is heating up. Obviously, the bottom is not flat. I put 5 patties in the frying pan, but as you can see, they lost their shape. It's a really wet mixture. It's been 3 minutes and I flipped them over, and you could see how nice and golden brown they are. And they smell very good too. I'm cooking them for another 3 minutes on this side. I got this beautiful platter from my friend Janet, and it's Polish pottery, so I'm going to use it for my patties. I love this platter. It's so colorful, and it's handmade in Poland. Thank you, Janet. These are my lentil patties, and I made a little yogurt sauce to go with it. They look really good, and they smell really good. Let's see what Grandpa thinks. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. It looks good.
That's what the inside looks like. It came out beautiful.
We'll give a little dip here. Tastes good, Ma. It reminds me of a falafel.
That's because it's very similar, but I use lentils. And that's a yogurt sauce with some garlic, dill, and a little bit of honey and black pepper.
That tastes good too. These would be nice as a burger on a bun.
Yeah, they make a nice meatless meal.
They're very hearty and filling.
I didn't use salt in the lentil patties, but if you'd like, you add 1 teaspoon of salt.